A pretty name out of you. Hello.
Wait, you are off before.
My name is Chill Dude, and I would like to show you the beautiful video that I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, like, and notify. Let's start the video. It's coming! It's coming! It's coming! Gotta run! Run now! Done. I may need you to know something. There's gonna be a lot of teleporting in the video, and I'm not as good as other people that create their awesome, let me say this in a different way, different universe Lego versions of their place. Popular, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, carry on.
If you lie,
Let me think. What was it again? Oh, yes. I'm gonna go with plus 15. Beep boop, beep boop. Ba-ding. Okay, hurry up.
it's
Come on. Enter, Master Mush. Thank you, Henry. All right, let's get out of here.
No, back.
Let's get out of here. Agreed. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Oh, I'm glad to be back home. I have to go tell Chill Dude about something. Understood. Whew. Hey, Chill Dude, my man, Mr. Mush. How you doing? And actually, I have to tell you something really important. How important exactly? Like, the army's gonna kill us. Important. Why is the army trying to kill us? So, you know how we said that if the army created any more creations that can destroy things? Yes. Well, they created another creature, and they think we have it because we're their best people. How did they even get the idea? I don't know, but all I can know is they're strong but stupid. Haha, you're right about that one. Well, I guess we should get ready. Say hello to my friends Chook and Kaboom, or Kaboom. Just grab your weapon. My sweet, beautiful whiplash. I love my handmade whiplash. I love it. Great, now let's go warn the others. Got it. Hey, Rongo, what's up? The army's coming and we need you to get your weapons and warn the others. Ha! Got it. I was waiting for this moment. Let's go. Auto open. I love that security. Joseph! Yeah, what's wrong? The army's coming and we need your help. Get your weapon out and get ready to fight. Oh boy, okay. I'll get ready. Henry! I know, I heard. Let's get ready to fight. Beep boop puppy, beep boop beep boop beep boop beep boop boop beep beep beep. Delicious. Alright, let's prepare for battle. Oh, what was that? The army's not here. It's the monster. Alert. Alert. Something is breaking into the vault.